I will be sharing the secret to the best Italian beef you ever had. Shh, don't tell anyone, but share this video with 1,000,000 people. Please. Thank you. I am going to be making Italian beef in a crock pot today. Too hot to have it in the oven. So I'm going to use a chuck roast, garlic, onion soup mix, and good seasoning Italian dressing. On to the recipe. And I opened up my packets. You're going to need 1 onion soup mix, 2 of the Italian. You're also going to need some beef stock, which I didn't mention before. You're going to cover the roast completely in beef stock. And I peeled my garlic, and I'll be running it through the press. The first thing you got to do is plug in your crock pot, because it always works a little bit better when you plug it in. And make sure it's set to low, which I have to turn mine on low, otherwise it won't work. Now I'm going to be adding everything. Here comes the chuck roast coming in. That's a chuck roast. Now, the onion soup mix goes in. I just dump it in. And the Italian dressing. And then all I got to do is my garlic and add the beef stock. So here comes the garlic. It doesn't take long to do the garlic because I got a real good garlic press. There we go. Now get me a knife. There we go. Now the beef stock, you just pour everything on top of it and completely cover it. It don't take long to do this. It just takes longer to cook it. Yeah, you just want to make sure it's totally covered. I don't measure the water, I just dump it in. You want it totally covered. Adding more water to it. Like I said, we want to totally cover it up with water. Everything's in there. 1 more cup. There's no really measurement to the water. You just want it totally covered. That way you got some nice juices for your Italian beef. Now put the lid on and you're good to go. Cook it 6 to 8 hours. Now all I'm doing is stirring it up. In case you wonder about the beef stock, you could either buy it pre-made or make it with better than bouillon. I use a tablespoon in that cup of water, and I just use regular water for the rest. And I do not have any sponsors for any products mentioned or used. You can use whatever favorite brand you like, but like for the Italian dressing, I like the good seasoning because it's dried and it's easy. But if you want to put in some bottled Italian dressing, I don't see why you can't. This is what it looks like. I took out some of the broth so you could actually see the roast. Now I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like. I had an extra container of tartar sauce, so I emptied out the sauce and put my au jus in it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.